Good morning, everybody. It is 3:30 in the morning on Tuesday. Up a little bit earlier than normal, but Braden and I have a trip to Tampa. It's a quick trip, and when I say quick trip, tomorrow afternoon we should be back in town, or tomorrow evening we should be back in town if all goes to plan. We're heading down to Tampa to see Nationwide Industries, a really good sponsor of ours, and a company that takes good care of us, so we're going to go down there and check them out, see what they're all about. I said if all goes well, if all goes to plan, because per usual, tomorrow there's supposed to be a winter storm move through that they've been talking about for the last couple days. Now they're saying 5 to 10 inches of snow. I don't know, we'll see. So the last time they called for that same amount was the last winter storm, and we got trace amounts. It blew more than it stuck, so I don't know. We'll see. First thing first, let's get to the airport. All right, guys, thanks to the magic of YouTube editing, we're in Tampa. And since you're watching this from a camera, it means Braden actually made it. Now, I don't know if we'll go into this or not, but through a series of unfortunate incidents, Braden almost didn't make the plane. Little sketchy there towards the end, but he's here. We're happy. We got Michael with Nationwide here with us, and we're going to Nationwide.
So we made our way to the Nationwide Industries facility. It was really nice. Everyone was super cool and welcoming to us. They gave us a tour. We got to see all the different stuff that they had. We have a few more videos coming out here soon that'll be detailing that. We have a walkthrough and a few other product videos to show you guys. But for now, we're just giving you like a brief overview of the whole trip. So here we go.
We'll put it up on here and run it for 1 million seconds.
For 1 million seconds.
For 1 million seconds. And it takes about a year to get 1 million seconds. So these hinges here, that's actually a brand new hinge you've never seen. So when we come out to check them, what we do is we'll pull the pin. Okay. And we'll actually open these up.
Okay.
Make sure it's actually doing what it's supposed to do.
How carbon are they producing to run machines to do all this? So by carbon offsetting, we're trying to negate the footprint we have here.
The application I would use it for is if we had a gate that was sagging and we wanted to bring it back up to plumb, you would put this on it from bottom of the hinge side to top of the latch side, so you put it in compression and then bring your gate back up to plumb.
So what you do is you can use this button here to adjust the tube on a macro level to get it about where you want it to be. Then when it's where you want it to be, you just turn this tube and you can lift. You can actually hear it creaking.
Yeah.
Right? And it'll actually extend or contract as you twist this. So you can kind of lift or lower where that strike is in. One piece slides in, one piece, and then they screw together. Then you can put the lock on. So you can actually put one of those locky locks in the field without messing up the paint.
No welder.
Yeah.
No welder.
That is super
Just,
slick.
you sawzall.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, because most of the time we'd have to, we've got a fabrication shop, but they'd have to take it off, bring it back. In the fabrication shop, I mean, I'd rather them not be looking for work, right? Like, hopefully they've got a bunch of work, so it's going to be a day or two before they can get through it. But this is huge where we could train a crew on it. So the Traverse is super nice to install because it bolts on, essentially. So, Braden, so with this one, you drill through for the cylinder. So it's like it's a square dowel, essentially, right, that goes through, that goes from one cylinder to the other.
It's like a rectangular spindle.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you cut it to size depending on if it's a 4-inch, a 3-inch, 2.5. But with this product, there's no drilling required. You can bolt it to it, and it works from either side. So this is a much more DIY friendly product.
We continued our journey through the Nationwide facility and got to see more cool stuff. Again, there was really too much to highlight in this video, but we do have more coming out that's going to go into more detail about the different products they have and the different systems they have in place to handle everything that they do. So keep an eye out for that if that sounds interesting.
These are the rapid prototypes that we've done for our new product development. So as we're developing product like here, this
that's exactly what I was looking at.
Aqua Latch, and this is the very first rapid prototype that we built for this. And I've kind of kept everything here. You have,
the
the
cornerstones.
This is armor latch. Nice. So this is SLA. This is back when we had to spend lots and lots of money to build prototypes.
Yeah.
We see that one's Keystone Advantage, KLX2, the original KLX, Manta.
Hey, what are we doing, Joe?
All right, so we just wrapped up a warehouse walk here at Nationwide, had a little brainstorming session on a live Q&A for tomorrow. I think it went incredibly well. Michael, what do you think?
I think it went great, and glad you were able to see our facility and see kind of what we do.
It was a good time. This place is massive. You guys will see it when we do the week. Well, you guys are watching the Week in Life right now, so you're seeing it. You've just seen it. So we're getting ready to go check into the hotel. Gonna have some dinner. Go watch some hockey.
The hockey game was really fun. I know both Joe and I really enjoyed it, so thank you Nationwide again for taking us to that. I know we appreciate it a lot. Now, the next day we had a live stream planned, and at the end, Eric presented Joe with a special gift.
Had a blast.
It was amazing. It was a good
very
time.
Cool, yes.
Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the Lightning to find an orange sweater, but we did. We were able to come up with a blue sweater.
No way.
And we can see that there on the back.
Very nice.
The Fence Expert year 2023.
What?
So we appreciate you. Appreciate your partnership.
This is so cool.
Yeah. That's,
thank you, guys.
absolutely.
Guys, what in the world? Check that out.
I didn't really film anything on the journey home, so here's a couple of still photos. So Nationwide Industries is in Tampa, Florida, where it was like 80 degrees during the day. We were flying back to Springfield, Missouri, where we had a cold front come through, and so it was something like 20 or 30 degrees with snow on the ground when I got back to my car. So it was nice and chilly, but I did remember to record this last little outro, so here you guys go. Hey, that's another successful trip in the books. I just got back to my car, finished scraping off the snow. There is still some snow on the sides, but whatever, it's cool. I can drive safely, so that's good. Yeah, it was a good trip. Nationwide, they're awesome. Nationwide Industries, loved them. Great people, had a great time. They took care of us. So, yeah,